All right, y'all. We got that top panel off. We get the second layer off. As you can see, it came off really hard. It was a mess. So, I'm gonna have to get the dash out, because I've got to take the pedal bracket out. So it does look like the VIN number attaches to this lower panel here, but I'm still gonna have to remove it because it attaches through the upper panel. So yeah, that's what we're doing. I got to get this all off. I'm going to try to take this whole unit out together with the horns all the way up into here if I can, whatever I can do. First, I think I'm going to have to work on all this right here, up, down in here, these holes here, this lip here, before I even attack any of this. So I got to get a good base underneath it to hook everything to. This got to be cut back. Looks like it's not too bad up in here. Got a little bit on the corner and a little bit up underneath this. Once I get it cut off, I'll be able to see what's in here more. But yeah, whew, it's a hot one. All right, guys. Thanks for watching and staying tuned. Another day and another hot one. Can't keep the drops out of my glasses. Oh wow, I just noticed something. Oh, okay, it's further up underneath here. All right. Yeah, all right, all this. So we're gonna have to figure out how this all attaches down in here. And we're gonna have to take this whole unit out as one piece. The brake unit, all that down to the floor, all this up into here. I wanna try to get it all out one piece. And then yeah, we'll come back and I'll replace all these pieces in the other one. All right. I gotta take a break. It's a hot one. Let me see what temperature is already. It's probably 90. Close to it. Yeah, 88 degrees. And it's probably about 10 o'clock in the morning, so yeah, it's a warm one. All right, I'll come back and clean all this stuff up here. All the pieces I gotta peel off because I took a air chisel right across it here just to get this out of the way so I can come in from this side to trim this off, because I can't come from that side where the motor's at. It's just too hard to get in there without damaging the top lip. And I've already got to replace some of the top lip right in here, so. All right. Almost time to spray for mosquitoes again by the looks of it. They're already starting to attack me this morning. Jeez. I did spray for them the other day. It worked in 20 minutes. I love that bug be gone. Works really good. But yeah, it rained, so it didn't last but a couple days. Works in 20 minutes, I swear. We could have a mosquito 30, and if I spray that stuff, it only takes 20 minutes and there ain't a mosquito around here, so it really works good. It's called Bug Be Gone. I think they probably discontinued it, but I bought like 3 containers of it, so I've got enough for about 6-7 years if it lasts. All right, and it looks like the heater core is leaking too. I did notice it was a puddle underneath it, so the heater core is leaking. Now's the time to change that. Well, we got all this out of the way. All right, y'all. Stay tuned and subscribe if you're interested in something like this and want to see how hard it is to do things like this. Believe me, not easy, just time consuming. You gotta have lots of patience, which I've got all the patience I need. I've been a mechanic since I was a 15-year-old kid. I'm 61 now, so yeah, I've got a lot of patience. And patience seemed to come with old age for me. I don't know. I just can become more and more patient. Like a friend Ed of the North was saying, you're going to need some patience with this car. He's right. All right, y'all. Stay tuned. Have a good day.